Concept 1865. Step into the past and ride the waves of innovation with the iconic penny farthing bicycle. Picture this, a giant front wheel leading the charge, marking the dawn of cycling history back in 1870. Fast forward to today, and this timeless concept still races on, captivating enthusiasts around the globe. Crafted by skilled artisans, this modern twist on a classic design blends tradition with cutting-edge materials. Think sleek carbon fiber, lightweight foam, and durable plastics, all seamlessly integrated into the frame. But here's the kicker. This revamped ride isn't just for show. It's powered by electricity, with a battery neatly tucked away in the seat for easy access. And let's not forget the finishing touches. Stylish LEDs adorn the body, adding a touch of flair to this nostalgic masterpiece. Behold, the prototype stands ready, a testament to an era fueled by boundless creativity and unwavering passion for progress. Sea-Doo Rise. Get ready to hit the waves and unwind with the Sea-Doo team. Back in 2016, these guys ruled the jet ski scene, grabbing over 45% of the global market share. But hold on to your hats, because they're not stopping there. Their genius engineers have cooked up something truly electrifying, an electric hydrofoil set to make waves in 2024. While the details are still under wraps, rumor has it this baby will weigh in at around 77 to 80 pounds and zip along at a minimum of 25 miles per hour. With a hull that's roomy and sleek, it's estimated to cruise for over 2 hours on a single charge. But here's the real kicker. Versatility is the name of the game. Whether you prefer standing tall or lounging back, this hydrofoil promises an easy ride for beginners and pros alike. So, grab your sunscreen and get ready for an aquatic adventure like no other with Sea-Doo. Meet DC Trike. They're all about putting smiles on faces. Their goal? To craft a three-wheeler that's a breeze to ride, perfect for folks with balance issues, disabilities, or anyone just looking for a good time. Their stand-up design isn't just stylish, it's a game-changer for those tired of the aches and pains of long bike rides. Whether you're a seasoned cyclist or a newbie, DC Trike welcomes everyone to hop on board for an unforgettable ride. Cruising around the city or exploring flat terrains, the 250 watts version has got your back, promising a fun-filled journey with ease. But hey, if you're craving a little extra oomph, why not go for the 500-watt model? With a beefed-up motor and battery power, this bad boy delivers unmatched torque and performance, taking you wherever your heart desires. XTND Board. Attention all skateboard and longboard enthusiasts. Brace yourselves for some exciting news. Say goodbye to the days of endless pushing to maintain speed, because the game-changing XTND Board is here to revolutionize your rides. Hailing from sunny California, this electric skateboard promises to turn every journey into an effortless adventure. With the ability to reach speeds of up to 45 kilometers per hour, it's a thrill seeker's dream come true. Plus, safety is top priority with automatic braking and a smart obstacle detection system, ensuring you stay steady on your feet. But wait, there's more. Tucked inside this sleek board is an advanced artificial intelligence system that learns and adapts to your riding style, providing a seamless and relaxing experience. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a newbie, the XTN board has got you covered. It's designed to help beginners master their skills while preventing any tumbles with its fall prevention system. A single battery charge will power you through a solid 16-kilometer ride, ensuring you can go the distance without a hitch. So gear up and get ready to elevate your skating game with the XTN board. The future of riding is here, and it's electrifying. MDT-ONE E-Scooter. Get ready for the ultimate off-road adventure with the MDT-ONE, a DIY four-wheeler scooter built to conquer any terrain. This beast is not for the faint of heart. It's rugged, versatile, and ready to take on whatever challenges you throw its way. Whether you're cruising on pavement, tearing through grass, or blazing trails on dirt, the MDT-ONE can handle it all. with the ability to climb steep slopes up to 40 degrees and reach speeds of up to 50 kilometers per hour, this monster is in a league of its own. Plus, with 5 riding modes and 4 15-inch fat tires, you'll have the perfect setup for any adventure. Powered by dual 500-watt motors, the MDT-ONE is a force to be reckoned with. And with features like waterproofing, a reverse function, and a range of 62 miles, there's no limit to where this machine can take you. But here's the best part. The MDT-ONE is fully customizable. Adjust the suspension, chassis, and front wheels to your liking, and make this scooter truly your own. Don't settle for second best. Unleash your wild side with the MDT-ONE for just $1,199 and prepare for the off-road experience of a lifetime. Smart Ped Regular and Folding. Navigating city streets can be a real hassle, especially in the US. But fear not, FlyCly is on a mission to tackle urban commuting head-on with smart, eco-friendly solutions. The Smart Ped Scooter, designed to make city living a breeze. With just a swift kick, you can zoom over half a mile thanks to its powerful 250-watt motor. Need to go the distance? No problem. This sleek ride can cover up to 22 miles on a single charge, perfect for the average American commute of 16 miles. And here's the best part. With a quick 2.5-hour charge time, you'll be ready to hit the road again in no time. Worried about storage space? FlyCly's got you covered with a foldable version of the Smart Ped, offering all the perks in a compact package. Sure, you might sacrifice a bit of range, but with a minimum distance of 15.5 miles, you'll still get where you need to go, and then some. Say goodbye to city commuting woes and hello to hassle-free travel with FlyCly. Halfbike II. Introducing the Halfbike II, not your ordinary bike, but a fresh way to get around. It's more than just getting to places. It's about challenging yourself, getting fit, and having a blast. Forget regular handlebars. With the Halfbike II, you steer by leaning, feeling every move of the road. It's like you and the bike are one. And the best part? It's simple, elegant, and fun. Made of light aluminum with 3-speed gears and 1 brake, it's all about the joy of riding. Plus, it folds up fast, so you can take it anywhere, on a bus, train, or plane. But it's not just a ride, it's a lifestyle. For those who love adventure and trying new things. So why wait? Join the Halfbike II crew today for only $599 and start your unique journey. MIMO C1. Introducing the MIMO C1, the ultimate travel companion for those constantly on the go, whether it's for leisure or business. With just a simple touch, the MIMO C1 transforms from a sleek scooter into a spacious cargo cart, ready to haul up to 70 kilograms of goods. Talk about versatility. Perfect for businessmen, tourists, couriers, and anyone with a busy schedule, this nifty vehicle is a game changer. But that's not all. Customizable accessories like waterproof boxes, baskets, and aluminum luggage racks make it easy to tailor the MIMO C1 to your needs. And with a removable battery offering 10 to 25 kilometers of travel, you'll never be caught short on power. Plus, with the option to carry a spare battery, you can keep moving without missing a beat. So, whether you're delivering food or mail, the MIMO C1 is a must-have for anyone looking to simplify their transportation needs. Drift Trikes. Get ready to rev up your engines and dive into the adrenaline-pumping world of drifting trikes. Just like something out of Fast and Furious. These bad boys are purpose-built for mind-blowing drift action. While the looks may vary, the heart of these trikes remains the same. A low center of gravity, beefy rear wheels swiped from racing cars, and a sleek, narrow front wheel. But where can you snag one of these beasts for yourself? Well, here's the deal. If you're handy with tools, you can craft your own drifting trike like a true DIY maestro. But fear not if you're not quite a master mechanic. There are ready-made models out there too. Take, for instance, a slick number with 10-inch rear wheels and an adjustable seat, available on Amazon for just $380. Built to handle the weight of an adult with ease, it's a steal for thrill seekers on a budget. Athos Fat Bike Pedal Quad. Forget tricycles and unicycles. Introducing the Athos Fat Bike Pedal Quad. Yes, you heard it right. A four-wheeled bicycle that's ready to conquer any terrain, from sandy shores to snowy slopes. Crafted by the ingenious minds at Contest Engineering, the Athos boasts colossal wheels built for tackling sand and snow with ease. Sure, it may look like it's missing an engine at first glance, but don't let appearances fool you. This beast is all about pedal power. Despite its imposing size, the Athos glides effortlessly across the beach, proving its mettle in handling any challenge thrown its way. So, if you're looking to give your legs a serious workout while cruising in style, look no further than this four-wheeled giant. Strap in and get ready to pedal your way to adventure with the Athos Fat Bike Pedal Quad.